Thank you very much, Juan. Well, elsewhere in the news tonight, thousands of rape kits across Texas remain untested, and some of them have been sitting on the shelves for years now.
But thanks to a new law, that backlog could soon be cleared and bring justice to more victims. Chris 6 News reporter Nikila Pradier talked with police and the district attorney's office and has the story.
This isn't the first time state lawmakers have tackled this issue. Just 2 years ago, several rape kit reform bills were passed and signed into law. But local leaders say this measure has a major difference, tens of millions of dollars in funding. Just this week, Governor Greg Abbott signing House Bill 8 and taking Texas's commitment to ending the backlog of rape kits one step further. During the 2017 legislative session, there was a bill that required law enforcement agencies to submit their untested kits to DPS for analysis.
And at that time, we submitted about 724 SANE kits. All but about 200 of those kits have been analyzed by DPS.
This most recent measure will require those agencies to do an audit of all remaining untested rape kits and set timelines to make sure they're analyzed. Deputy Chief Breedlove says this could be helpful in tracking down offenders whose victims did not file charges. Previously, those kits were not sent off for testing.
This now allows a lot more data to put into the system, and that way we could identify serial rapists or other unidentified individuals.
The state is also backing up this goal with $50 million in funding. That money will be used to hire more workers for the state's crime labs and ensure underserved populations have access to nurses who are trained to collect evidence for rape kits.
Anything we have in our toolbox that we can use to help bring justice to the citizens via a conviction for someone who has victimized someone is a tool that we're going to welcome.
Matt Manning with the Nueces County District Attorney's Office says when it comes to rape and sexual assault cases, evidence from these kits is some of the most compelling they can present to a jury. So he's grateful for the new law that will allow law enforcement and DPS to analyze that evidence even quicker.
Whatever we can do to hold people accountable, particularly those who are committing violent crimes, we're going to do it 100% of the time.
Nikila Pradier, Chris 6 News.
And this bill will also require evidence to be kept for at least 40 years or until the statute of limitations runs out, whichever is longer.